Hello and welcome to the Unique Access Codes plugin overview video. Let's get started by talking about what the Unique Access Code plugin does. The Unique Access Code plugin, short for UAC, automatically allows you to enroll users into cohorts, courses, and multiple groups when they sign up using the Unique Access Code authentication plugin. Users are able to sign up using a sign-up page and providing a unique access code that's been configured by the site administrators, allowing the onboarding process to be made simpler for your organizations. Let's begin by ensuring that the Unique Access Code plugin is enabled at the site administration level. By navigating to the Plugins tab and scrolling down to the Authentication section and clicking the Manage Authentication setting allows you to enable the Unique Access Code authentication plugin at the site level. You can access the settings page via the settings link provided in the settings column, or this page can be easily accessed via the admin dashboard and navigating to the user management section and selecting the Unique Access Codes option. On this page, administrators will be presented with the sign-up URL and the Manage Access Codes button. This sign-up URL can be shared with any users who you wish to enroll onto the system via the Unique Access Codes authentication method. Clicking the Manage Existing Codes button will redirect the administrator to the Manage Access Codes page. This page will display a list of all the unique access codes that are currently existing in the system. The unique access codes will be displayed in a table format based on their name, description, their count, as in the number of codes defined available for use by users for that specific unique access code, the prefix of the code, whether the code is active or inactive, the cohorts, courses, and groups assigned to that particular unique access code. In the Actions column, administrators have the ability to edit and delete unique access codes that have no usage associated with them. Codes with usage associated with them can only be archived or set to inactive or active. By navigating to the Manage Archived UACs column, administrators can view all the unique access codes that have been archived. In the Actions column, they have the ability to restore these particular unique access codes. Both the Manage Archived UAC and Manage UAC column pages allow you to filter the table columns, and the table data can be downloaded in the provided file formats. Now let's go ahead and define a new unique access code within our LMS. By clicking the Add New Code button located in the bottom left, we can add a new unique access code. On the following page, provide the required name, prefix, and count properties. In the name field, you can provide the name of the unique access code to be stored in the system. This is not visible to the users, only to the site administrators, along with an optional description. Afterwards, provide a prefix that will be used for the code. For example, providing a prefix of CD4 will automatically generate the unique access codes with the prefix of CD4 attached to the start. You can also provide the count, as in the number of unique access codes that will be generated for this particular code set. For example, providing a value of 10 will generate 10 codes. Afterwards, you can specify the cohorts, courses, and groups that the user will be assigned to upon the utilization of this code. It is worth mentioning that multiple cohorts, courses, and groups are available for selection. The Groups option will only display groups for courses that are selected in the selection above. Be sure to click the Save button when you're satisfied with your changes. Once the unique access code has been successfully created, you'll notice that the Count tab will indicate the number of unique access codes that you have defined. In our example, we have chosen to go with 40 unique access codes. Clicking the 40 Unique Access Codes Count link will redirect you to a page containing a list of all the codes available. This will display the code itself and whether the code has been used, and if it has been used, it will indicate the user and the usage date. This table data can also be downloaded in the Available Table drop-down file format selectors. Downloading the table data will make it easier for administrators to export and share the codes with external users. We'll now demonstrate how it looks like when the student signs up using the unique access code via the sign-up URL provided by the administrator. They'll have to go ahead first and provide the required fields such as the username, the password, email address and the confirmation, the first and last name, and whether the administrator has defined any other optional user fields. Finally, they'll be able to input their unique access code that's been provided to them by the administrator. Clicking the Create My New Account button should successfully create their account within the system and enrolling them in the selected courses, cohorts, and groups. You'll also notice from the site administrator's perspective that the code usage indication has been successfully reflected in the system. The code is now being shown as being used by the following user at the following date and time provided. This code usage is also being correctly reflected on the Manage Access Codes page. We hope that you now have a better understanding of how the Unique Access Codes plugin works. Thank you for watching the video.